good, YouTube? We are back with another video. So right now, I'm about to unrag, quick little wave check or whatever. And we about to do the L.O.C method. The leave-in, oil, and cream or butter method. This method pretty much is to moisturize your hair after a wash and style, or just moisturize your hair in general if your hair is dry. Right here, I'm doing a little spin around to show my pattern before I actually start brushing and do this method. This is also after a wash and style and a hat man method. Okay, so now I'm about to show you guys the leave-in conditioner. This is the L'Oreal leave-in conditioner. I'm gonna squirt a little bit in my hands. The leave-in acts like a moisturizer. Rub that in.
But then what about all of Don's assets? Not the insurance policy, but I have nothing to do with it. All his real estate, all of his holdings. All under his will.
The will wouldn't come into play because if you disappear, you can't do anything for 5 years.
After you rub it in real good, this is when you grab your brush and then you put in the work. Gotta brush it in.
And here's the latest on the case. A judge has just declared Lewis dead since he's been missing 5 years. But Hillsborough County Sheriff's deputies say they will keep the case open until they have proof.
A lot of things happened during those 5 years. A lot of things were moved around. She took out a lot of good things for herself and putting bad things in their accounts. We ended up with all the yucky stuff. She was taking property out of Don's name and our names and putting it in her name.
I was the other woman for years after the kids came back and they said that the mother didn't get a fair settlement and they tried to take him back to court and get more money out of him. That's when he disowns them. And so he said to nullify their trust, but I didn't because I felt like those are his kids and someday he's going to feel differently, so I left it in place.
So what's the theory that makes the most sense?
There's no proof. I feel the one that would benefit the most from something happening to my father is Carol. She knows.
You've got to look at it in the eyes of the law. I mean, I could say here on this interview and tell you I killed 37 people a week. Well, that's okay. But you got to have the bodies. It doesn't count. His wife says the worst.
Now this is where you do the oil. This is the O and the L.O.C method. I would suggest you put a little bit in your hands and then rub it through your hair. And then you just continue brushing.
Well, for the fun of it, let's see. Carol's bitching that she has this black cloud over her head. People thinking that she fed her husband to the tigers.
I mean, imagine that maybe she didn't have anything to do with it. Let's say she did love Don and she did mourn his death tremendously. To live with people constantly saying those things and making those accusations, that can be hurtful and can change a person too.
And was there ever a formal memorial or funeral or anything? So no one.
I remember the day his death certificate came. I opened the letter and I remember looking out the window, and then the next time I remembered anything, it was pitch black outside. It was just like I had just completely zoned out. I don't know where I went, but that was the closest thing that I had to it.
And what about the money in the end?
We definitely did not end up with, I had to say it, probably 10%.
You inherited only 10% of his estate.
Mm-hmm.
best. Carol.
There is a science of getting rich, and it is an exact science. The ownership of money and property comes from doing things in a certain way. Those who do things in a certain way, whether on purpose or accidentally, get rich.
You just gotta keep brushing this thing through.
To most animal,
As I always say, keep that
I
brush
would
moving.
characterize her as reasonably rational.
Right now I'm just doing a little bit of precise angle brushing with my vertical brushes.
On November 1st, 2004, we got married.
My number one goal in life is going to be to make this woman happy.
I'd love to be able to attend your funeral.
Now we about to do the butter.
Do you think so?
I don't have the cream,
I would
so I just use my butter.
What about Justice?
Either or is fine. Or also you could always use a pomade if you choose. Don't put too much in your hands because we already put 2 products in and we don't want no product buildup.
There's nothing that I really want to say to any of these people. I know that the only reason that they are saying the things that they're saying is because they see me as a threat to their livelihood and to their ego. And with that being their driving motivation, there's nothing I'm going to say or do that's going to change that.
We never felt that it was investigated well enough. They did say Carol was the prime suspect at the time, but until, like she said, until someone comes forward.
I cannot.
This is where you brush it in.
We have zeroed in on any particular suspect.
See that? My hair's leaning down a little bit more.
Absolutely no
Great shine.
evidence at this point in time that would point at one particular individual.
When we started
And just keep that brush moving.
we did People's Magazine. Inside Edition came to talk to us, and hard copy, I believe, wanted to. That's when we got the thing from Carol to stop. I have the money, you do not, and if you continue talking, I will take everything away from you and your family. That's why we haven't spoken out.
Because you're afraid of Carol Baskin.
Oh, yes, I am. I am.
I'm taking Carol on because everyone else is scared too. She is what I here to do. Sunday's coming.
Get them angles right to break those forks. Now we about to do a little bit of crown session. This is my Crown Royalty, the crown brush. The Royalty Crown Brush by Brush King. Another excellent brush to isolate your crown.
I use my music as an escape from reality. Basically what I do right now, basically that's
Keep working that crown.
This is a prepaid call from an inmate at the Grady County Jail.
Me and Carol made money off of each other. We became popular off of each other because I was her number one most wanted cup abuser that she could make money off of, and she was my number one murdered her husband and fed him to the tigers and crazy bitch out there that I could make music videos and shit about.
All right, we're gonna get Joe in there now.
God, this stinks. Hurry up.
Come on, over here.
If you don't think she's not making money off of me being in jail right now, you're crazy as shit.
Keep working it till it looks right. Analyze it. Keep working it if you have to. And if you're satisfied with those results, this is what you get. Your softy, and you just soft brush your pattern in. Now, right now, this is just laying down most of the hair that's sticking up. You know, it's like a polisher. So as you can see, my hair is getting a little bit shiny.
The more Joe got aware of social media and how it worked, the more he realized that he needed to work the name. Like when you Google Big Cat Rescue, it pulls up Big Cat Rescue in Protect Florida.
Do you know the power you have if you search Google around the world and you're the first choice every time?
Hey, all you cool cats and kittens, it's Carol of Big Cat Rescue, and
She is the one. She's the first choice every time. Supersedes all the zoos. She's at the top of all search.
most of the cats ate well today. Nat was a champ, and so was Frosty the serval, except for no poop from Frosty.
Joe started realizing if he made his name
Every stroke has to be precise.
Joe decided that the
Go
way
all
he
around your
would
pattern
package
as much as you want.
was to rename his traveling show
Usually I would do this about
Entertainment.
25 minutes, 30 minutes. It depends on how long I feel like brushing that at that moment.
Where did you get the name? Where did you get the idea for the name?
Big Cat Rescue.
Right now I'm looking at the mirror. Just make sure my angles are pretty good.
Big cats.
Make sure the crown is laid down by the brush as much as possible.
Here is what he started using. Notice that the entertainment below is a bit faded, so you don't even see it. The snow leopard eyes was at that time the mask.
Look
in
at
it.
that, my crown coming together
He was copying that.
slowly but surely.
I mean, it definitely looked like it.
Here, he was handing out a business card that said Florida office and had our area code, a number that forwarded to him.
Yeah, he came up with a Florida address and a Florida phone number to help team all that stuff together.
Eat up.
People were contacting us and saying,
Now this is where you have the plastic bag. Now this is the final step of laying your hair down. This right here
We didn't have standing.
lays the rest of the little straggler hairs that you couldn't lay down with the soft brush, and lay them all the way down to make it real smooth, as you can see.
Rescue Entertainment. This is the videotape deposition of Joe.
After every brush session, I always finish off with the plastic bag.
Then there, I thought he would look at that and be smart enough to say, you know what, I don't want the expense of a lawsuit. I'll just stop using their name. He continued to use the name, and he filed counterclaims to drag this out.
As you can see, that's my weak side is getting pretty nice. You know, it all takes time, you know. Don't rush the process.
Why did you set that up?
Why did I set that up? To start posting the truth about Carol Basket for a change. Is Dawn really under the septic tank? Tried to expose the fact that she is scamming the public. I'm gonna stay on your ass so hard
There you go, nice and laid.
that you're gonna end up in
Now I'm looking for my my patch. This is my patch. This is for compression of the crown. You know, gives it more compression. Make sure my crown stay in place.
I don't think Joe considers lying to be a question of effort.
And this is just a nice little technique that I found on the Facebook page by Slow-Mo. It's pretty good. It worked for me. And I'm pretty sure it may work for you. It may not. But I'm pretty sure about 99% it will work. Work for you guys. Now I'm putting on my do-rag. Always got to rag up after a session. And now this is called the no knot method. This is by Wiz Kadeem. And this is an excellent way to not have the knot in the back. I know sometimes it gives you guys a headache. This is a trick to not have that knot, so you won't get irritated with your do-rag on. Yes, it's a little time consuming, but it will benefit you at the end, and also prevents forks in the bottom of your back waves. That's the last strap. Now this is towards the end of the video. Like, comment, if you're new, subscribe. I look forward to my next video. As you can see, I'm doing the last step right here. There you go. Make sure it's all nice. Then turn around for y'all. See the no strap.